be covering the installation of Rust Buster's center section with skid plate mounts for Jeep's YJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Step 3. Remove the two nuts holding the skid plate to the transmission mount using a 15mm socket. Remove the nut holding the skid plate to the stabilizer stud using a 14mm socket. Support your skid plate with a jack or jack stand, and remove the 6 transfer case skid plate bolts using a 19mm socket. Marked out 1.5 inches from the top of the frame rail on the inside and outside. You will do this for the length of the center section, minus 1 inch from each side. This will be your cut line. Step 4. Begin cutting away the frame rail along the drawn line. Grind all cut edges smooth for easier fitment. Step 5. Test fit the part by attempting to push the part into place and over the frame rails. The part may fit snugly and require force. Step 6. Replace the part in C-clamp and tack weld it into place to prevent it from moving later. Step 7. Remove any remaining potential fire hazards on both the vehicle and surrounding area. Following proper welding procedures, begin welding the part onto the frames. "100% weld around all edges." Step 8. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Step 9. Begin reassembling your vehicle starting with your skid plate. Reinstall any steps or guards. Reinstall your gas tank, cords, and tubes. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.